Ladies and gentlemen, this is Cap and Ball here, and I never really do unboxing videos. In fact, this is the first time ever that I'm going to do this, and just let me tell you why I make this exception now. Because I have been waiting for this package to arrive from Poland for a very long time now, and I really have to say that I'm excited. It is coming from a Polish gunsmith called Rafal. Rafal, I'm very sorry if I don't pronounce your name properly. The Polish language is just as hard as Hungarian, so we are in the same shoes, I'm pretty sure. But this package, which is very well packed, it's a wooden box with plastic cover, holds two wheel-lock pistols from the 17th century. Let's check what we have here. I have been waiting for a good quality wheel-lock pistol pair for a long time, and I really have to say that this is like a Christmas for me. So let's have a closer look here. The package is well packed. Oh, I love it. Nice wooden box. Closed with screws. I will need a screwdriver. And that was the last one. So we have a user manual. Necessary documents. Oh, and we start with the two keys. This is very well packed, very well packed. I mean, this is how to ship value. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, what a beauty. What a beauty. Look at the craftsmanship we have in these pistols. It's a beautiful pair from the middle or second half of the 17th century. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Let's see if it sparks. The key has a very nice fit. There we have. There goes the priming powder. You close the lid. Hammer is in place. Excellent. Thank you very much, Rafael. You definitely made my day. We'll see how it works on the range.